Glissando will produce by sliding one finger on one string from one pitch to another. It's usually indicated by a line connecting two notes' head, with or without the word gliss above the line. When it is done correctly, it will be executed on one long legato bow stroke, and all the pitch will sound, or at least be touched, between the first and last note. As an example, let's look at the Bartók String Quartet number 4, second movement, to see the glissando, how this composer uses it. If a glissando is to be performed over more than one string, it can be a true glissando, and it must be broken as soon as the open string is reached, and the player must improvise more sliding on the next string or play a chromatic scale until the desired pitch is reached. For better understanding of this issue, let's look at the Mahler Symphony No. 4, third movement. There is one other kind of glissando, which may be called a fingered glissando. It is found most often in a solo literature or in a string solo during an orchestral work, sometimes called the written out glissando. Every pitch is usually notated. One of the best examples of this kind of glissando is the composition by Strauss named Till Eulenspiegel.